Hello everyone, this will be my review on the Sweetcrispy TV Stand. I will unbox it and take out the items and lay them on the floor so we can see what comes in the box. I will be right back. Okay everyone, well, this is what it looks like out of the box. It seems very well packaged. I had a little hard time getting it out of the box. That's how well packaged it seems. Um, I will put it together and I will let you know if there's any dents or scratches or anything. I didn't notice anything when I took it out of the box, but then again, you never know. So we will see when I come back and it's all together. Alright everybody, I forgot to mention this. It comes with the tool to put it together, screws, feet, handles, more screws, and even more screws. So you do get this too. Okay everybody, this is panel A where the frame screws into it. Well, it's upside down, but there you go. There's no scratches on this side where the frame screws in, but there are some scratches on this side. There is a gouge right here, and there is a scratch there, and there is some scratches in the center when the light hits it just right. But yeah, this is panel A. Now, I checked out the panel B, I believe it is, or a panel J, which is the other board, and I didn't see no scratches on that one. Alright, this is the frame. It was easy to put together. I looked it over. I haven't seen any dents or anything. So far so good. Okay everybody, this is how it looks with the frame on. It was easy to screw in the screws because they matched up with the holes. So far so good. Alright everybody, this is what it looks like when you put the second shelf on. Now, I had an issue with the screw, well, all four screws. They didn't screw the hole deep enough for the screw, so when I was screwing it in, some of the extra wood came out. I don't know if it's supposed to have a gap like this or not, but maybe I can fix it. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. Alright everybody, this is D, and we have a problem right there. Now, when they weld it, I guess, it didn't weld good. Let me see if I can focus. There we go. As you can probably see right there. Hang on. It's like right here. That's where they were supposed to weld it, but it didn't weld. So this is gonna be, I don't know. This is gonna be a very light junk drawer, I guess. I don't want to have to send this back or bring it to Kohl's to bring it back. So I guess I'll put up with it. Maybe, I don't know, super glue or something? I don't freaking know. But there might be a way to fix it. Who knows? But anyways, yeah, it came unsoldered. As you can see by that little friggin' little gap here. But yeah, I'll put it together and maybe it will support stuff. I mean, it seems pretty freaking strong. It's metal. So, yeah. Anyways, I figured I'll show this. Alright, everybody. This is the other D. As you can see, whoops. I mean, it's supposed to be welded like that. And this seems to be welded pretty good. I mean, there is no problems here. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't know who the welder was, but I don't know if he should be fired or what. But, yeah, this is the other D, and it looks okay. This is how it should look, just like this. And the other one was all came off, but I have it on, as you can see. So I think it may support. It should. Long as I don't put nothing extremely heavy in it, I should be good. My supervisor here, which is my cat, normally he watches me do everything, and I just had to give him some medication because he's been sick, so that's why he's sleeping. But he informed me I screwed up on a location where I put screws. I'll tell you about that in a second. Okay, you remember the last time when I said I put the screws in on the side on the second panel? Well, come to find out, that's where I screwed up on the screws. They come with the small screws, which goes into the side of the panel. So, yeah, that's why I ended up with more wood, is because those were longer screws, and more I screwed it into the wood, more the wood come out. So anyways, this is what it looks like so far. And I will say, I feel like I need to be a NASA scientist or something to put this thing together, because it took me a while just to get this part done. And I like to say I didn't have problems, but you know, I screwed up on a piece that was turned around, so I had to unscrew that, turn around. I mean, I'm reading the manual. I am. I mean, here's the manual. And I mean, this is what it's telling me to do. And there's one page. Nope, nothing. Anyways, like I said, I was reading the manual, trying to figure it out, and wow. I mean, other than one of these come in unwelded and a couple scratches on the top, so far, again, so good. I know I keep saying that, but yeah, wishful thinking. I know a lot of times when you buy these, you have a little flaw here, a little flaw there, you know. Technically, you don't even know who the hell to blame. I mean, for all you know, the seller got it from somebody else, and maybe they got it from them because they knew there was something wrong with it, you know. And maybe the seller didn't. So I'm not blaming the seller for it. But, yeah, so far so good. Alright everyone, we are back. This is the drawer, which is pretty nice. Got the handles on. And the handle is held in with very, very small screws. I will show you how small. I mean, they are small. So, this is what it looks like inside. I mean, looks pretty nice. It just like every other drawer that you get in these kind of builds. I mean, I don't see any flaws inside. We'll take a look on the outside in a second. Let's see. Nothing there. Nothing there, and nothing there, and of course the bottom looks okay. So that is the large drawer, and this is the small one, which we'll take this out and take a look inside. I don't see any flaws inside. There we go. And on the outside, I don't see anything on the outside. Yeah, it's probably like lint or something that got picked up. But yeah, there we go. I mean, yeah. Now that was the drawers. Now I'll finish putting all the drawers together and put them in the stand, and we'll see how it looks. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. Well, it's finally done. This is what it looks like when you finally complete it. Like I said, the only problems I had was one of the center bars were, well, the welding came undone, and I had a few scratches on the top. But this is what the final project looks like. Well, they did give you some extra screws, so in case you need them. But pretty much this is it. Thank you all for stopping by and watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to hit like and subscribe. It will help me a hell of a lot. Thank you. Bye.